Okay guys, we got a 2010 BMW 328i. We got a headlight bulb out. Let's take a look. We're gonna put the key in and we're gonna you know what, do we need to put the key in? Yeah, it needs to be started up. Okay, maybe just the, okay, there you go. So let's take a look in the front. So we got a bulb out here. We got that one working, but this one is out. The low beam is out. So this is the bulb we're gonna change right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the vehicle up. We're gonna turn the wheel to the right, and we should have access room down there. If anything, we have to jack up the vehicle and remove the tire. All right. And we do have a symbol there. We're gonna turn this baby off. Let's see if you got plenty of space down there to work or not. So we turn the wheel, the bulb is out of here. My camera kind of acted stupid, but we're gonna turn this notch and turn, oh, that notch is all off. The whole cover is kind of, I don't know who put this cover in. Okay, I'm gonna go get a couple of tools. Flathead, that's all we're gonna need. Okay, got me a little stubby here. Hopefully this works out for me here. We got plenty of space to work down here, but I don't know how I'm gonna turn this little guy. Okay, it's not working out for me. I'm gonna just kind of get this cover out. Someone kind of plays stupid with that, but there it is. We're gonna have to kind of yank up on that little guy right here. There you go. Once that's up, this cover should come out. Okay, just like that. And we got a bulb back there. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put my light here and my camera here. You guys can see it all. Okay, not the best angle, but just wiggle on this connector, that comes off, and then you do have, come on, what am I looking at here? Okay, so there's like two little hooks. Just want to show everybody the hooks so you can see a better view there. See that? That's what we're looking at. Okay, and okay, I'm gonna have to kind of duck down. Okay, there it is. And the hooks come down. So pretty much you squeeze and they come off. And let's see the bulb here. Okay, this bulb is H7. Okay, I'm gonna go get an H7 bulb. Okay, went and got an H7 bulb. So this notch is facing up. Same direction we took it out, okay? It's gotta go back in the same way. Okay. And then this kind of closes up. Not really liking this mechanism here. There it is. We're gonna put the connector back in. Sometimes you want to check your connector, okay? If it's melted, that will be one of the issues, okay? So there we go. If you got the bulb in, we're gonna try this on. I'm gonna come out. The cover, you just plug it back in. This first, well, there goes my light somewhere down there. Let me get my light. So this cover here goes in like that, and then the clip comes down, and then you put this cover in. But let's try the bulb on, okay? Will it work? Key's out. Where the hell is the key? In my pocket. Kind of messy in here. I hate this. Let's put this in. Let's see if our ball works now. Perfect. There we have it. All right, guys. So H7 is the bulb. If you want to change this on your BMW, this is the bulb, H7, okay? So thank you for watching my video. Put the covers back. Again, very important you put both covers in, okay? Not one. Again, this one goes in like that, and then it goes in and the clamp goes on, and then this guy right here goes in the bottom first. This one's kind of broken, and then you turn these notches. Anyways, thank you for watching.